You're going to grab the, there you go. You're going to wipe it off. Put the rag down. Then you're going to grab the marker and you're going to show me the spot. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to put it and you're going to insert it in there. Show the orientation of the grain. The dot goes in that direction. Shove it in. About a 1/4 inch deep is what you have in the directions. And then give it a slight turn. Okay, good. Then you're going to go ahead and insert the plate. There we go. Then the connector, then the shoulder bolt. And give it a little snug, and then you're going to give it a good tap. Okay. Show that it's solid, then you're going to back out. Okay, then you're going to loosen that up. Loosen that up. Pull that, unscrew that. Pull that off. And you're going to go back in and tighten it up again. Okay. And that's it.